Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the slow and laggy menus on your PlayStation 4. Now the first thing you want to do is go up to notifications right here and select this. And just make sure there's nothing downloading in the background. So you can press options and go to downloads and just pause any download. So if you're in like the PlayStation Store and it's loading slow, go here and stop it. And then the PlayStation Store right here should load and it shouldn't say please wait very long. So now I can go through this menu. Now another thing that you want to do is get a static background. Now to do this, go on up to settings right here and then go on down to where it says themes. Then you can go to select theme and scroll past all these different themes right here until we get to custom on the bottom. Now I have tons of themes on my PlayStation 4, but I'm going to select custom right here and then go to select image. Now I just went to the internet browser and I took a screenshot and I used Master Chief as my background. Now you can go to system storage, or if you transfer something over from your PC, you can plug in a USB flash drive. So let's select system storage and I can go to like Call of Duty right here, and I took screenshots in the game so I can use those. You want to use a static, non-moving background. Seems like sometimes when you do have like a moving background, it slows down the menus on the PlayStation 4. Then apply right here and back out. And you might notice that it's a little bit more responsive. Now another thing you want to do is go up to settings, then go to storage, and then just calculate the system storage and make sure you have enough storage capacity on the PlayStation. You might want to go ahead and delete some capture gallery items in here or some applications. So if you are getting closer to the right, delete some games and items under here and free up some space so you have at least 100 gigabytes left. And another thing that might make your experience a little bit more responsive is by turning on the game mode on your TV. So I'm using Amazon Fire TV, and most TVs have this option. So you're going to have to find out how to do it on your specific brand. But if I press settings and then scroll on down to picture, then the top option is game mode right here. If I select it, I have other options on here too, like TV, natural, sport, etc. But make sure you're turning on game mode for your TV. This is going to reduce the input delay on your games, and it's going to feel a lot more responsive when you move the thumbsticks. And you're going to notice right away that your aim is going to be significantly improved. Also, you can go to devices right here and then scroll on down to controllers. Then go to communication method. Now, if you plug in your PlayStation 4 controller, it's still using Bluetooth as a connection means. You can go to this section and you can actually use a USB cable to connect with your PlayStation 4. So if it is seeming like it's a little bit slow or laggy in the menus, go ahead and try that. Otherwise, you might want to go ahead and completely disconnect your PlayStation 4 controller. So if we go back to devices and go to Bluetooth devices right here, we can select our Bluetooth device and then we can press options on it and we can forget it from the PlayStation 4 and then reconnect it. And many times this will go ahead and fix it. Otherwise, we can try pressing the reset button right here. There's a small hole. Go ahead and take like a toothpick and just press that down for like a second, and your PlayStation 4 controller will reset. Now, the last thing we're going to do is go to the safe mode by pressing the PlayStation button down, and then go to power, and then go to turn off. Don't go to enter rest mode. We want to completely turn off our PlayStation 4. Now, plug in your controller with a USB cable just like this, and wait for your PlayStation 4 to stop blinking. And there's no lights on the top. Hold down the power button, you will hear one beep, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later you will hear another beep, and you'll notice that your controller is going to be charging with the orange light now. Press the PlayStation button, it should turn blue, and you can operate the safe mode menu with the D-pad and select with X now. Then go on down to option number 5, rebuild database. Now it says it will take about a few hours to complete. My experience only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. But if you are having any kind of corrupted data or hard drive issues, this should speed up your PlayStation 4. Otherwise, you could try going to update system software and update your PlayStation 4 using a fresh copy from the internet right here. And you do have the option to initialize and factory reset your PlayStation. So if it seems like nothing else is working, go ahead and try to initialize your PS4, and that will erase all the data, all your games, and you'll have to sign back into PlayStation Network. But it should start like it was new and you just bought it. And there's one more setting that may help. So you can see all these applications I have on my home screen. We can actually limit those by going to settings and then going down to system right here. Limit number of items on the home screen if we select this and we go back, there won't be so many items just on the home screen here, and that may speed up your PS4 as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.